Hi everyone, welcome to Ancient Madurai. I am Dr. Hema. Today, this is the second part of our kitchen tour. Last week we saw about how I have arranged my kitchen with the stove and the utensils. This is my storage area. So this is how in the ancient days they used to store things. So you can see entirely brass kitchen. Entirely it is all of brass. So I'll just explain a little bit about each of them. So on the top what you see, these are the kujas. So these kujas were used to store oils, milk and all liquid stuff. And when they go somewhere they used to carry these kujas, and you can see the handles are very easy to carry, and they used to carry these kujas to any during travel or when they go for anything else, and it's also used to store holy water, etc. This is called the rail kuja, wherein you can see there is a tumbler inside that, so that why this was called as in the ancient days when they go for any travel, they used to fill this with water and pour it in this tumbler and drink. And see how innovative it was, right? So they used to carry the water from their home. This was also used to carry milk for little children, and everything is carried in this. Even now my mom stores gingerly oil only in pujas, brass pujas. So this is one puja. This is called a cashew nut puja. You can see the unique shape of the puja. It's like a cashew nut fruit. So this is called the cashew nut puja. This is a sombu. I just kept it as a planter here. This has copper and brass, double metal sombu this is. So this is in short about all these pujas. And now I have one big tukupani. We call it tukupani. What we do is inside this all sorts of snacks are kept. Sometimes people store cereals, pulses, lentils also in this, but mostly this was used to keep murkus, all sweets and savories inside that. And these are the very cute and very useful brass containers. So these are big brass containers which was used to keep rices, lentils. You can see this is called EM. This is a alloy which was used in the ancient days to line all the brass utensils. So you can see how sturdy these are, and these make a very good addition to your kitchen. You can just keep it, you can use it as a kitchen utensil or use it for decor like this. These are all called sambadams in Tamil, and you can see all the range of sambadams. So this you can keep coffee powder, in this tea powder, like that. So this is the range of sambadams here. And then comes the bigger boxes type of things. These are big sambadam. They used to keep 5 kgs of rice in that. It is like that. And these four are not, these items are not from Tamil Nadu, but these are from Rajasthan. They used to keep chapatis. When they go out, they used to take chapatis in this. This is also a small chapati box from Rajasthan. You can see the fine engraving. These kind of engraving we don't get it in South India. This is done mostly in Rajasthan. So this is also a big box from Rajasthan. You can see the Hindi letters imprinted here. This is also a small box from Rajasthan that we have, all with lid and everything. And these three are from Tamil Nadu, where they have used to take lunch for the schools in the olden days. So these are that, but I use everything for decor and for storing everything. Right now this is all empty and everything is for sale actually. So this is a big brass milk can. This is used in Tamil Nadu. This is a small milk can that was used to take oil, milk, etc. This is an improvisation of our normal tukuponi. You can see the engravings here fully. So this is our normal leaf tukupani that we have here. This is a very cute small tukupani that we have with wooden handle. So all these I have kept it for show, and but I use a lot of these in my home also. This is my fridge, and I have kept a brass ship on that, on the top of a brass stand. This is a white brass stand. This is a brass ship. We have a lot of ships like this, 4 or 5. This had actually a holder where it light, but it's not working right now. So this is a small tour about my storage area. So hope you enjoyed this tour of my brass kitchen. So this comes to the second part, end of the brass kitchen tour, and this is about the storage area. So when you have brass at kitchen, it is indeed a great sight to see. Everywhere glistening brass, it's so beautiful to see. Will you have the same joy and happiness if you see plastic containers? No, definitely not. And I love seeing brass in my kitchen. And if you arrange your one shelf like this without even using these brass items, they'll be so beautiful to see in your kitchen. So if you want to buy anything brass or any other brass antiques or new collectibles, then you can visit our store www.ancientmadurai.com. and there is an additional thing to this, because every sale proceed, it has been given to our foundation, Little Moped Heart Foundation. It is being founded by me and my husband, Dr. Gopi Nalayan. He is a pediatric cardiac surgeon. We donate all the sale proceeds from Ancient Madurai to saving a little heart. We do free heart surgeries for underprivileged kids from Tamil Nadu. So please visit our shop and have a brassful day today. Thank you.